Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Cook up some lunch and eat some cucumber. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But there's something in your smile that I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect. We had food too. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one? So it won't do. Kisses always on a lucky chance that you would call that and as a friend. You and I could be like Sunny and Cher.